Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I'm Vasundhara. I make content around lifestyle, makeup, review videos, a little bit of travel and whatever else is happening in my life. So I've been making a lot of outfit and styling reels, and a lot of you keep asking me where the kurtas are from. So some of them are small businesses run on Instagram. I think one major issue that they face is that people do not trust them because they are small stores and the credibility factor is an issue. So I will keep putting all the details of where you can purchase these kurta sets in the description. There are going to be 4 kurta sets in this video, and they are all like summer colors, like a poppy pink, a magenta and pastels. Do hit the like button if you enjoy watching this video. Just give this disclaimer right in the beginning. I have not ironed them. I've worn these kurtas for the reel shoots and I have not gotten a chance to iron them, so please just be a little forgiving if they're crushed. So let's dive right into this video. So the first kurta set is from this small brand on Instagram. I'm going to attach the name right here. They sent and they stitched it also. I'm not too sure if they stitch or not, but they definitely have semi-stitched kurta sets, and they have some beautiful pieces in pastels and of embroidered work and all of that. So this is what they sent across. This has this lovely Kashmiri work going on at the neck, and there's also this design of the flowers and the embroidery carrying on up until the end. I had given them a design online. I told them my measurements. They stitched it. They got it stitched or stitched it, I don't know. But the fitting was amazing. Like, it reached me, and I usually like have a problem with fittings because my lower body is way heavier than my upper body. So a full lining inside. This one is like a lemony yellow pastel kind of a beautiful, very cooling kind of a georgette fabric. And इसमें बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं लगेगी. Even though there's a lining, it'll let your skin absolutely breathe through the sun. Comes with a pant which is plain georgette, I think. This also has a lining. So this is what the pant looks like. I wanted it like tapering down and I didn't want a very lot of flare on the bottom. So this also came in with a dupatta, which again has the same Kashmiri work going on all along the border. And this is really सुंदर यार, बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है ये. It's the dupatta is not short in any way. There is enough fabric for you to drape it in whatever way you want. I think this brand basically holds exhibitions in Chandigarh, Ludhiana side, and I think it's run by a lady. I can't remember the name right now. And I think wear it for like any sort of a small function at home, or if you're going out even for a lunch, because this fabric is damn cooling on the skin. It's gonna let your skin breathe really well. Plus, I really like the fact that Kashmiri work and embroidery has come into summer wear as well now. So there's georgette going on, even saris and all. A friend of mine, there's another account, I'll also attach that over here. She has some beautiful Kashmiri work saris and kurtas. So I think you should check that also out. Next up is my season's favorite. It is this beautiful buttercream lavender kind of a monochromatic kurta set. I got this kurta set from Myntra. The product details say that the kurta as well as the pants are of polyester. Is what the kurta looks like. It is a monochromatic kurta set. It comes in with pants, the top, the kurta, and a beautiful organza dupatta. This is what the work looks like. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but there's sequin and silver thread work going on, and I absolutely love the simplicity, the minimalism, and the color, the specific color of this, because it's a cool toned lavender, which is bound to like just give a very cooling effect if you're wearing this in summers. If the lower is a bit tight for you, ये most probably थोड़ा सा छिजेगा when you're like sitting or you're squatting or something or bending. this may be slightly problematic if you are a size like mine. Otherwise, I'd give this kurta set a 9 on 10. It is very very comfortable. The fabric is polyester according to the Myntra description, and it's very very comfy, very very cooling, and very very soft on the skin. Kurta set comes with this organza suit, this organza dupatta, the only thing that is nicely folded and kept in my cupboard. So this is what the dupatta looks like. It comes in again with this silver thread work of this kind of a design, and this dupatta is, if you're gonna like drape it from here to here, crossing across your chest, it's a bit short. If you are somebody who's like a XL or large size like me, but I like to drape it like on one shoulder only, going seetha, and in that sense the length is fine. ये छोटी नहीं पड़ेगी किसी भी way में, but otherwise I really like this color in organza with this breezy kind of a look, and it's very very pretty. This entire kurta has a really really pretty vibe going on. I'll keep attaching the MRP somewhere over here. So I think in general I'm a complete sucker for pastel shades and hot pinks and neons and absolutely like bright shades. So the next one is from a lady who runs a small online store on Instagram, and she makes and has some beautiful organza, chiffon, georgette kurta sets. So let's get right into that. It's a beautiful color. A lot of you on Instagram also told me that it's my color, so that it really suits me. So thank you so much for that insight. But let's move on. I'll show you that kurta next. This is what the kurta looks like. It is definitely a festive wear kurta. It's a magenta kurta with this gota work going on, and it's quite dressy. This is what the pant looks like. It has an elastic over here. Neha is the person who runs this brand, and she got it stitched as per my measurements, and it was extremely comfortable. Though I don't think she does the stitching part, वो आपको खुद कराना पड़ेगा. But I love that she added these pockets over here as well. And this is what the pant looks like. Again, very similar to the previous two designs. I wanted a tapered down pant that kind of tapers down from the knees in a straight fit up until a little above the ankle. So this is what the pant is like, and this has an organza dupatta, which I'm obsessed with. This is what the design looks like. It has this same work going on across the border, has these beautiful magenta tassels, and has a slight, I think, orangish pinkish sort of a shot in the fabric of the organza, which I really really like. So this dupatta is like pretty long, छोटा बिल्कुल भी नहीं पड़ेगा. And this is what it looks like. बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है. So moving on to the last piece of today, it's this beautiful anarkali in shades of a steel coolish blue grey. I'm again obsessed with this color as well. This summer, I think this color looks really really cooling on the eyes. So this is what it looks like. I sized up in this one because I was a bit doubtful, but I could have gone for a size smaller. I think large would have fit me, but I went for a double XL. But anyway, I think I really like the way it's falling on me, and this is what it looks like. It's got so much fabric that I'm finding it difficult to show you guys. Plus like camera ka exposure bhi because of this बार बार हिले जा रहा है, so sorry about that. So it has a flare going down this way. I'll attach a video over here, and this is what the bottom part looks like. It has this silver gota work going on in a zigzag kind of a pattern, and it just I really like the fact that it's so simple. You don't need to work very very hard with this kind of a design. You can just always wear pearls or some tiny little silver studs, or if you want to like go the silver jhumka kind of way, you can also do that. But this is what it looks like. Very very pretty steel grey color with undertones of slight sky blue, and this is what the work looks like. This does not come in with a bottom, comes in with a dupatta. I think this is, if I'm not wrong, Georgette, but I will confirm. I'll just check up Myntra and put it right here. This kurta comes with this dupatta, which I think completely transforms the look. I love that that is extremely minimal. It's a solid color up until the bottom. I am so sorry, I forgot a very important detail of this kurta. So the sleeves are extremely long, and that is so that they bunch up over here basically. So it comes with this kind of a button over here, taki you basically shut this at your wrist and it bunches up in a similar to a churidar जो lowers में पहनते हैं वैसा ही kind of a design. It'll bunch up over here and the rest of it is fitting. I think for me this part is a bit too loose. The bunching up is not really working out, so I'll have to get the tailor to basically take this in a little bit. But otherwise I love the detailing, and whoever thought of this design, it's just really pretty. Adds a slight detailing and element to the sleeve area. And anyway, back to the dupatta. This is what the dupatta looks like. It has this silver work going on over here, and again silver gota work going on the border, and it's quite a long dupatta. Like if you're going to drape it straight, आगे और पीछे से दोनों तरफ से pretty much काफ़ी नीचे shin length तक पहुँचेगा. Just to give you a reference, my height is around 5'6", so this kurta length wise is like perfect for me. If you are I think slightly shorter, you may need to get the height taken in a bit, but obviously from the brand side it makes more sense for them to give more fabric versus agar kam padega then obviously the outfit just goes waste. Summary, and the fabric is very comfortable. You can just pin it up and it's a very flowy kind of a fabric. It's really pretty. So guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna make more such short haul videos. So I try and support small businesses and Instagram stores that otherwise do not get an audience as such, and so I'll keep slipping in small business products into my videos and hauls, and I have had a good experience with them, so I am hoping that you also do have a good experience. They, I think, in my opinion, are most definitely trustworthy, and you can have a look through their stuff. And thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If my channel has helped you in any way or you feel a connect with me, please do consider subscribing. It's really motivating. Thank you so much for watching. Up until next time, bye.